In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download your code files from the Replit mobile app. First, open the Replit app on your phone or tablet and sign into your account. Make sure you have a stable internet connection since you'll be transferring files. If you haven't used the app in a while, it's also a good idea to update it so the menus and options match what you'll see here. Next, navigate to the project you want to download. In Replit, each project is called a REPL. From your home screen, tap the REPL you'd like to export. Give it a moment to open the workspace so that all your files and folders load correctly. This ensures the export includes everything you expect, like your source code and any assets you've added to the project. Once you're inside the REPL's workspace, look for the menu icon, often shown as three dots. This is typically in the top right corner of the screen or near the File Explorer, depending on your device and app version. Tap it to open the project options. If you don't immediately see the three dots, try scrolling or expanding the file pane. On some screens, the icon can be slightly tucked away. From the options that appear, choose Download as Zip. This will package your entire project into a single compressed archive, which helps keep your folder structure intact and makes the transfer quicker. If your project includes large dependencies or assets, the process may take a bit longer, so let the app finish preparing the download before leaving the screen. Your device will then prompt you to choose where to save the .zip file. On many devices, you can pick a folder in your Files app or your Downloads folder. If the app asks for storage permissions, allow them so the download can complete. Choose a location you'll remember, confirm, and wait for the download to finish. It's best to stay on Wi-Fi for faster, more reliable transfers, especially with bigger projects. The .zip file contains all your code files and project assets from that REPL. To access them, open your device's file manager and locate the downloaded archive. Most modern file apps can unzip directly. Tap the .zip to extract it into a regular folder. After extraction, you can open, edit, or share the individual files as needed. That's it. You've successfully exported your Replit project on mobile, saved it to your device, and extracted the files for use anywhere you need them.